guys, we are going to start working on the plasma cutter. Our first project is going to be address signs. So you can Google address signs. I found this site because I liked a lot of these. But you're going to choose a design. It can be just a square, something like that, or it could have a design on top like this or this. You have all sorts of designs. Once you've chosen your design, run it by me. That's step one. Make sure that I understand what your design is. Then you're going to come into AutoCAD and you're going to start working on text. And you're like, whoa, Miss Seaton, or Miss Childers, that was my old name. How did you get it to be like this? So you create text, just multi-line text. We'll start with Homer, right? You're going to highlight it. I'm going to change the size. We'll make it 1.5. Great. And then what you're going to do is you select it all again and press TXT EXP, text explode. And you're like, whoa, look at that. Now the other thing you want to do is you want to make sure you do overkill, which is a command that removes any repeat duplicate objects. So you just press OK. It should be good. And then you want to select it all again and you want to trim. So to trim, you are just removing lines that you do not want, right? By selecting it all, then you don't have to go and do this individually. Okay, now, then you want to press enter to be done with trim. The other thing with the plasma cutter is nothing can be smaller in distance than 0.14. So even our text itself, see, that's okay. It has to be bigger than 0.14 if you're cutting it out or leaving it as metal. So then you also have to make sure that your distance between things, and you can check your linear distance, and that's good. So I have enough space there. Over here, this is my design that I'm working on. It's pretty rough still, but you notice I'm coming up here. I've checked my linear distances. It doesn't matter if the lines are different colors. In the plasma, it's totally fine. But I'm checking that my distances are enough so that I can have enough holes. All of these distances are the right amount. And then you want to make sure everything's connected if it's supposed to be connected. And if you look on here, you can even see that some of the things on here, let's find a good example. None of them have good examples. I've seen, oh, this, see, it's all connected here, right? And in here, you can see these are connected as well. See how they have to have, this has to have some place to be, so it has a line right there. Okay, so you want to make sure that's going on there. I think that's everything. I'm going to go with the plasma cutter design. It's going to be a lot of editing, lots of trim, lots of checking measurements. You cannot move forward until you've checked with me on everything. So make sure you're really meticulous with this project. Good luck.